Welcome back to the channel. The data center market is rapidly emerging as one of the most critical and high-growth sectors for investors in 2026, fueled by the unprecedented expansion of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and high-performance computing demands worldwide. While most mainstream investors tend to focus on AI software, robotics, or end-user applications, the real and often overlooked opportunity lies in companies that provide the essential infrastructure enabling AI to function at scale. This includes companies building and operating data centers, supplying energy and power solutions, configuring modular sites, and integrating GPU-intensive computing clusters necessary for large-scale AI workloads. In this video, we dive into some of the top companies currently leading the charge in this space and highlight emerging players that could see substantial growth as AI adoption accelerates. One of the top companies we discuss is APLD, which has experienced an incredible surge from $3 per share to over the past year, maintaining a market capitalization of around $10 billion while holding active deals valued at approximately $15 billion. This momentum reflects the growing demand for robust AI infrastructure and demonstrates how smaller-cap, high-growth companies can outperform traditional tech giants when positioned correctly. Another notable company is CIFR, Cipher Mining, which is transitioning from a Bitcoin mining operation into a dedicated data center business, leveraging its existing infrastructure and technical expertise to capitalize on the AI boom. CIFR has seen its stock move from $2 to $25 over the last year, and according to projections, could achieve up to a 50% gain in the near term as it solidifies its position in this emerging market. IREN is another critical player, building state-of-the-art data centers for major tech companies including Microsoft and Google. The stock has pulled back to support levels around $49, with potential targets between $56 and $60 per share, representing a 20% short-term upside while offering long-term compounding potential. Companies like NBIS are also making waves, particularly through their partnerships with NVIDIA, providing GPU clusters and specialized AI computing infrastructure. These players are critical because AI workloads require significant computational power, and high-performance GPUs are the backbone of modern AI operations. BITF, previously focused on Bitcoin mining, is now pivoting into AI data centers, and although its revenue growth has been modest, its stock shows potential upside of 15 to 30% if it can hold key support levels. TSSI, Total Site Solutions, is another standout, a small-cap company with a market cap of around $329 million, specializing in configuring and programming data centers. The company has seen impressive growth, moving from $5 to $11 per share, and is on track to achieve $250–300 million in annual revenue, highlighting the growing importance of specialized services in the rapidly expanding data center sector. Other smaller cap and emerging companies worth noting include CLSK, Wolf, ANET, and CoreWeave, all of which are contributing to the growth of AI infrastructure in their unique ways, whether through modular data center services, cloud computing solutions, or GPU cluster integration. The key takeaway for investors is that while AI software and applications often make headlines, the underlying infrastructure is where many of the largest gains are being realized. Data centers are the backbone of the AI ecosystem, providing the energy, processing power, and configuration necessary for large-scale machine learning, neural network training, and cloud-based AI services. Additionally, this sector intersects with energy and mineral demand, as AI operations require vast amounts of power and specialized hardware. Investors who identify high-quality infrastructure players early can benefit from compounding growth as demand for AI services continues to skyrocket. It is important to note that investing in stocks always carries risks, including market volatility, geopolitical factors, and economic cycles. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and all projections, whether derived from technical analysis or AI tools, should be used in conjunction with fundamental research, including revenue growth, contract wins, partnerships, and overall financial health. This video is designed for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Viewers are strongly encouraged to perform their own due diligence, Consult with licensed financial professionals and consider their personal risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. By understanding the growing importance of data centers in the AI era and tracking key players like APLD, Cipher, IREN, NBIS, BITF, TSSI, and other emerging companies, investors can position themselves strategically to benefit from the AI-driven infrastructure boom. Whether you are a seasoned investor looking for mid-cap growth opportunities, a tech enthusiast exploring AI's potential, or a newcomer wanting to understand how the AI revolution is impacting the broader market, the insights shared in this video, actionable knowledge on where the future of technology infrastructure is headed. With AI adoption expected to continue at an exponential pace over the next several years, the companies providing the essential backbone, energy, cloud services, high-performance computing, and data center operations are likely to be some of the most significant beneficiaries of this technological transformation. This is a unique moment for investors to observe, learn, lock, and potentially participate in the growth of the infrastructure that makes AI not just possible, but scalable across industries' world's race. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice and should not be relied upon for investment decisions. Investing in stocks involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always perform your own research. DYOR, and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. See you to next video.